Thank you for your purchase of the DoTolo Toxygen Colon Hydrotherapy Instrument. This video was produced to aid you in the installation of your DoTolo Toxygen Colon Hydrotherapy Instrument. Please locate the contents sheet in the shipment and inspect the contents. Make sure that all of your items are included in your shipment. The DoTolo Research Corporation is the originator and world leader of toxygen colon hydrotherapy instruments. Our years of uncompromising quality have earned us a reputation with our customers as the world leaders of the finest colon hydrotherapy equipment. The DoTolo Research Corporation is registered with the United States Federal Drug Administration as a medical device manufacturer. The DoTolo Research Corporation is certified to ISO 9001, ISO 13485, and EN 46001 standards. These are quality standards that are internationally recognized. These standards are put in place and verified by an independent auditor to ensure that quality procedures are implemented and strictly adhered to. The Toxygen instrument is designed for easy installation in a manner that will allow easy disconnect should it be necessary to remove the instrument from the wall. Throughout the installation, please refer to Figure 3 in your manual. This is a schematic designed for optimum installation, although some circumstances may prevent you from installing your instrument exactly as Figure 3. Alternative installations can also be made by use of a cabinet or countertop. These installations are more aesthetically pleasing but present a more difficult installation. We realize all installations are different, so the one key element to keep in mind in your installation is that your treatment table dimension from floor to top should equal the same dimension of the instrument's waist connection level. If your treatment table is only 25 inches, the instrument's waist connection must also be 25 inches. Please read the instruction manual along with the suggested treatment room layout page. At your desired location, install a ground fault receptacle. Now install hot and cold water supply lines of no less than 3/8 inch diameter with shutoff valves. A sanitary sewer drain line of no less than 1 1/4 inches should also be installed to the right of the water supply lines, as close to the floor as possible. We strongly recommend that the plumbing be installed by a licensed plumber adhering to all local plumbing and building codes. With the rough plumbing installed meeting the specifications of Figure 3, you're now ready to mount your instrument on the wall. Measure your treatment table from floor to top. Then add 8 inches to this number. This total will equal the top to where your instrument should be installed. This formula is simple. Your instrument's dimensions are 24 inches wide and 16 inches tall. The waist connection line is in the middle of the instrument, 8 inches down from the top and 8 inches up from the bottom. Now let's look at the back of the instrument. The mounting holes are 16 1/2 inches center to center. The top of the mounting hole is 1 inch from the top of the instrument. This treatment table is only 25 inches. You then add 8 inches, making a total of 33 inches. From this, you subtract 1 inch, making it 32 inches. Measure from the floor up to 32 inches and place a mark. Now, measure over 16 1/2 inches and mark. This is the dimension from center to center on the instrument's mounting holes. Then, place a level across the 2 marks, making sure the holes are level. Depending on the type of wall material, we suggest you pre-drill pilot holes and use toggle bolts or expansion screws if studs can't be found. With the mounting bolts or screws in place, secure the instrument to the wall. Now, mount the water filtering system on the wall. Please note the cartridges are already installed to the filter house. Connect the instrument to the drain, making sure the trap is installed and the union is tight. Then install the water supply hoses. Left, marked in red, is for hot and is located on the left underneath the master control valve. The blue hose is for cold water and is located on the right of the master control valve. Attach the provided female quick connects to the building water supply valves. Connect these lines to the mounted filters, making sure the hoses are connected in the direction of the proper water flow. Check all your connections before turning on the water supply lines. Make sure that the flow control valve and the cleaning system valve are in the off position. Install the disinfectant container on the wall in close proximity to the instrument and connect the clear tubing to the disinfectant on-off valve. The instrument is equipped with a 12-volt viewing light. A transformer is connected to a jack on the bottom of the unit and then plugged into a receptacle. We highly recommend that you use a power strip with a built-in surge protector. This will provide an easy way to turn your unit on and off and also protect your instrument from power surges. The new stainless steel ultraviolet system lamp is packed carefully. Do not touch the glass part of the lamp with your hands. Connect the ultraviolet transformer to the receptacle part of the lamp and insert the lamp carefully into the top part of the housing and plug the transformer into the surge protector. The UV lamp is rated for 8,000 hours. Should the lamp burn out, an alarm will sound. When this occurs, turn off the lamp for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. If the alarm comes back on, please replace the UV lamp. Turn on the cold water supply line first, then turn on the hot water supply line and check for any leaks that might be present. To assure the instrument's been properly installed and is in working order, the following initial instrument test should be performed. Connect the cleaning system quick connect to the hygienic coupling. Turn on the master mixing valve to approximately 70 degrees. Turn the waste valve on to empty. Turn the cleaning valve on, allowing water to run through the cleaning system for several minutes. This will allow the main water supply to fill and purge the air that's in the lines. Do not allow the pressure to exceed 5 psi. Doing so could cause damage to the pressure gauge. Now turn off valves and shut off the cleaning system. Your instrument is now ready for use. Included in your shipment was a safety manual. Please turn to page 31 and complete the equipment installation record. Now that your instrument is installed, let's take a look at its components. This is the particle filtering system. One is included for both the hot and cold water. This carbon filter, attached on the side of the instrument, will remove chlorine. The ultraviolet light will destroy 99.9% of all bacteria and viruses that may be present and will remove certain parasites, such as Giardia and Cryptosporidium. This is the master mixing valve. The valve is thermostatically controlled. The master mixing valve allows you to set the desired water temperature and will not allow the temperature to go over 100 degrees unless you turn it past its locked position. The new advanced stainless steel temperature gauge is directly above the master mixing valve. This displays an accurate reading of the treatment water temperature. The all-new stainless steel flow control valve regulates the flow pressure of the water and is extremely sensitive. This valve also turns the water off and must not be over-tightened. The pressure gauge is a 0 to 5 psi gauge. It indicates the accurate pressure flowing through the instrument. The waste control valve controls the filling and emptying cycles. Your DoTolo Toxygen colon hydrotherapy instrument is equipped with a self-cleaning system. The DoTolo Research Corporation carries a variety of complementary supplies to facilitate the colon therapists, including disposable speculum packs, latex gloves, Surgilube lubricant, cleaning system disinfectant, underpads, treatment table paper. If you encounter any problems with your installation, please refer to your manual. The DoTolo Research Corporation is available to answer all your questions and is willing to assist you with any problem you may occasion. Please call us at 800-237-8458. The DoTolo Research Corporation, the world leader in Toxygen colon hydrotherapy instruments, is committed to an ongoing search for state-of-the-art technologies that will complement your business.